So, we've taken the Volvo V60 plug-in hybrid out of its box. Now it's time to unbox the car itself. The bodywork is designed with advanced aerodynamics to limit drag, increase efficiency, and reduce emissions. Even the wheels are designed to give better airflow. Let's see what's inside. An ergonomically designed interior. Volvo call it their most human-centric car ever. Underneath the bodywork, we can really see what makes this car special. At the front, a 5-cylinder, 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, made with low-friction technology for extra efficiency. At the rear, an electric motor. The two power sources combine to give you up to 280 horsepower and let you drive in 3 different modes: pure electric, hybrid combination, and diesel power. The 400-volt battery is highly efficient, with a large capacity, yet one of the smallest in any hybrid car, but powerful enough to run 240 laptops. So there it is, the Volvo V60 plug-in hybrid, the world's first diesel plug-in hybrid car.